Hello and welcome to Introduction to Online Writing Instruction. My name is Dr. Heidi Harris and I will be your professor for this course. This introductory video will walk you through the key features of our class and help you get started with your activities in this 8-week course. Every Sunday or Monday you should receive a welcome announcement just like you've received with this video that includes information on getting started with that week's course. What you see on the screen now is the announcements page, which should look very similar to the announcement that you received in your email. You can also come here and access any of the information for each week's assignments as well. The other way that you can access information in the course is through our course webpage, which is hosted in Weebly. If you look over here at the left, you'll see the course webpage button, and if you click on that, it'll take you to all of the assignments and activities for the course. So if you see here in this drop-down menu, all of the weeks are laid out, and if you click on any one of those weeks, you're taken directly to the descriptions for the activities for each of the week's assignments. The Blackboard course are where two important features are held, and those are down here. The discussion boards, so in other words, anywhere that you have a discussion, you will complete in the discussion boards in the Blackboard class, and your grades. And I'm not going to click on that because as an instructor I don't have grades in that area. But your rubrics and other evaluation materials will be accessible in that My Grades area as well. So you can get to the syllabus and schedule one of two ways. You can either click on the syllabus or schedule buttons in the Blackboard site, or you can click on the syllabus or schedule buttons in the Weebly page. And I've done that so you can navigate whichever way feels most comfortable for you. You can either go to the Weebly page, bookmark that, and use that each week to get started, or you can go through Blackboard and the welcome announcement that you'll receive in your UALR Gmail each week. What I've pulled up here is the course syllabus, and you can see from this first page that it is built with accessibility in mind, so you should be able to click on any one of the sections and go directly to that area. So here's your final reflection activity, and then when you're done you can click on return to top and go back up to the top of the table of contents for the syllabus. You can also just choose to read that at will and go straight through it. Please familiarize yourself with the materials in the syllabus before you get started with any other activities for the course. Once you've come to either the home page in Blackboard or our Weebly website, you can access the schedule. And the schedule is kind of the nerve center of the course. So everything that we're going to be doing in the class is linked into this schedule. And again, you can access that from Blackboard or from the course website. This is a Google Doc. This actually lives in your ULR Gmail Google Docs area, and we'll talk more about that as we walk through the course. But you can go directly to this schedule each week. You'll see our week and theme, the week number. This link will take you to that section of our Weebly page. And you'll also see a number of links. These video links don't work yet because I'm creating this video right now. So you can watch any videos that are pertinent to the week's activities. You can see the readings. This is the Hewitt textbook that you should have received for free from me already. The OWI principles document, which you'll hear much about over the next few weeks. And this is our Warnock text, which you should have been able to get from the bookstore. So you'll see your readings, do those. Here are the two assignments and the due dates. So the only place that the due dates are actually listed in the course is on this course schedule, but you should be able to move from here and access the week 1 materials directly. Or as I said, you can just go directly to the website. So all of these pieces work together hopefully to help you navigate the course to the best of your ability. If you do have any questions about course navigation or getting started, please let me know. Thank you so much for taking this course, and I really look forward to working with you this term.